that, maybe?
There's some sweet potato pie for you, sweetie.
Sounds reasonable.
I apologize, Mom. There's nothing there you want, but if you do want something, that's fine.
Oh, it's good, huh? I saw a smile.
You can give him some of that too, of course.
Well, there we go. All right. I can tell you Lynn still got some.
If I put the lights on in the background, is that good or bad?
I don't know. As long as she's got a flash, it's probably good.
What do you think? Oh, is that good
No,
stuff?
no, let's give her a little ice cream. Maybe just a little bit.
Is the Coke count?
Like a little vanilla.
Do the world.
Here's your blood.
What do you want, Mama?
What did you like?
Oh, that's a cute picture.
The shrimp?
Shrimp.
It's
Yeah,
not
go with
caramel,
mommy.
it's caramel.
No, like, can you take it over next to mommy?
We have some little chairs.
Mom, can I get you something? Martin?
No. I'm cheating. You didn't get your
Ellen,
shrimp.
your mother, and the birthday boy?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna give him a piece of that strawberry one.
You want me to take some? Or they just want to do it? What would you like? Greg, what would you like?
He wants one of everything. He's very upset that he found out that it wasn't really comfortable and it's something with sweet potato pie.
Yeah, I'll probably eat something I think's cake. It's probably yogurt or something.
You never know. I've been known to sneak something by you that's nutritious every once in a while.
Wheat germ Coke cake.
It's called toe fake.
Yeah.
So big.
Yucky stuff.
All right, here's a piece of cake, sweetie pie.
Whoa, look at that.
Oh, we're gonna run out of battery soon, aren't we?
Uh-oh. And I don't have the white cake. That's my favorite.
Num 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 num.
I don't like yellow.
Well,
It's a
That was
big
good.
one out of batteries.
Num 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 num.
Very
I'm not ice cream.
How's the ice cream, Addie?
good.
Great. Glad to hear it.
looks like you picked out some good ones.
Pretty good, that ice cream thing.
I want ice cream.
No thanks.
You can have seconds if you want seconds.
What?
Okay.
You want seconds?
Not sure about that stuff, huh?
Seconds and some celery.
Why don't you get his friend?
You were great.
I don't like it.
Sort of thing was.
What?
My celery.
Not even
Is that what they're supposed to eat?
Yep.
You got that cake?
He's have
Is
his.
it good?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
You okay, sweetie? That was attractive.
Oh, the whole video is attractive, let me tell you. Alright, I'm gonna turn it off, kiddo, because it's gonna run out of batteries, but you enjoy your cake. Is